Okay, today we're going to be seeing Powtoons in education. So, what is Powtoon? So, Powtoon is a free website that allows users to create presentations using animations and cartoons. The emphasis is to create eye-appealing presentations. Of course, like any other website, it's very easy to get started, but difficult to master. The website is powtoon.com. The content delivery is like any other website. You have your drop down menus for tutorials, pricing, the blog, your login, and when you log in, you even have more drop down menus of creating a new Powtoon, restarting a Powtoon. So, what trend does Powtoon reflect in education? It reflects the movement towards technology based classrooms. So, Powtoon can easily get started in a participatory culture based classroom, and also a Powtoon can be run in a flipped classroom setting. These different classrooms are setting up for a future where technology is the basis of how they're run, and in these classrooms will fail without technology. So, Powtoon and participatory culture. So, participatory culture has four main ideas: low barriers, community support, informal mentorship, and contributions that matter. And Powtoon follows all these ideas on the website. Low barriers, it's very easy to sign up. Community support, there's a blog that allows people to see each other's Powtoons. Informal mentorship. A lot of the videos created by people are to teach other people how to make Powtoons, and there's nothing professional at all. And the people creating Powtoons have a lot of viewers, and a lot that makes people feel that their contributions matter. Now, Powtoon in a participatory culture-based classroom, so students will be able to create videos together. It doesn't require a face or narration in presentation, which is helpful for a lot of shy students that aren't comfortable making videos. It's easily shared on the Powtoon website or YouTube, so these Powtoons can be easily shared. Um, Students that already have experience with Powtoons can share tips and tricks with each other. One thing I would change about Powtoon is that you can't use it on multiple computers on one assignment, such as like Google Docs. So that is one thing I would change. Now, Powtoons and flipped classrooms. A flipped classroom, as we know, is basically lectures at home, classroom activities in school. While the traditional is lecture at school, homework activities at home. This gives a lot more time for individualized instruction during classroom activities. Now, Powtoon gives the option for teachers to create small lectures at home, so the teachers can create a Powtoon and then share it with the students. Students can also find lectures on Powtoon to learn material. That is because Powtoons already has a strong community. They can find lectures on their material they're learning at school or during the lecture at home. Now, Powtoon in a flipped classroom. Powtoon will be a very fun lecture they will watch at home since of all the animations and the cartoons. They are very easy to watch because they're not so boring and not just a voice narrating over bullet points. And then students during classroom time can also create Powtoons to summarize information for next classroom lecture. So the students can even make their own lectures and possibly use it for the next classroom lesson. Some things to change about Powtoons based on flipped classrooms is that Powtoons are very time consuming but worth the work when it comes out as a final product. And students may get distracted because of the animations and cartoons, but I don't see that happening because of all the other facts and material that are on the Powtoons. In conclusion, Powtoons reflects the technology trend in classrooms and can be incorporated into flipped and participatory classrooms. In my future classroom, I'll try to incorporate Powtoons as introductory videos to my lessons. Powtoon is still in the early stages of classroom use. I've only seen it used a couple times during my time in high school. And with more community support, Powtoon can be used in even more classrooms and be helpful to even more students, teachers, and the education system in general.